Hey guys, welcome to my another video, that is the fetal skull. The fetal skull's introduction. It is a bony structure of the head and it is a flexible and soft. Why it is called? Because the sutures are not completely joined. That's why called the flexible and soft. So the skull may be divided into three parts. Number one is the vault, next base and the face. So next is the bones of the skull. Though there have seven bone of the skull. So number one is the two frontal bones, two parietal bones, two temporal bones, one occipital bone. So next is the sutures. Sutures, there are four sutures. The number one is the frontal sutures, sagittal sutures, corneal sutures, lambdoid sutures. Frontal sutures are between two frontal bones. Sagittal suture between two parietal bones. Corneal suture between the frontal bone and parietal bones. Lambdoid suture between the parietal and occipital bones. Next is the fontanelles. There are two fontanelles. One is first one is the anterior fontanelle. It is the largest fontanelle. It is a junction of the sagittal, frontal and corneal sutures. It is a diamond shape or it is called bregma. So next is the posterior fontanelle. It is the located where the sagittal sutures meets the lambdoid sutures, or it is a shape of like a triangle shape. So next the diameters of the fetal skull. The first is the transverse diameter. The first transverse diameter like a bimastoid diameters. Distance between the tips of the mastoid process, it's a 7.5 cm. Bitemporal diameter 8 cm. Distance between anterior inferior ends of the corneal sutures. Super subparietal diameters extends from a point placed below one parietal eminence to a point placed above the other parietal eminence of the opposite sides. It's a 8.5 cm. Next, the biparietal diameters distance between two parietal eminences. It's a 9.5 cm. So next is the anterior posterior diameters. The first one is the suboccipital extends from the nape of neck to center of bregma. It's a 9.5 cm. Next, the suboccipital fontanelle extends from nape of the neck to the anterior end of anterior fontanelle or center of sinciput. It's a 10 cm. Occipitofrontal extends from the occipital eminence of the roof of nose glabella. It's a 11.5 cm. Mentovertical extends from midpoint of the chin to the highest point on the sagittal sutures. It's a 14 cm. Submentoverticals extends from the junction of the floor of the mouth and neck to the highest point of the sagittal sutures. It's a 11.5 cm. Submentobregmatic extends from junction of floor of mouth and neck to the center of the